Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove category label on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. When someone visits your Instagram business profile, they will be able to see a label for each of the categories you belong to. Your username and bio will be shown above the category you choose. You have the option to remove it entirely if you do not want other people to view it. Open the Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down and tap on Profile Displays. Move the slide bar to left of Display Category Label to remove category. Click on tick icon on upper right corner. Again, click on tick icon on upper right corner to confirm it. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.